years ago, I had a dream. It began in the summer and was over by the following spring. In between, there were as many unhappy nights as there were happy days. Until I'm gone.
Maybe you're just looking in the wrong places, or maybe you're just sentimental. I guess I just wanted to see if I could remember what it felt like.
Man ser en virksom by, og folk går ud, går ind. Der til lavet dør med messingskilt. En sol går ned bag skyen, der ligger bag ved byen. I himmelrummet åbnes alting snilt. Der drejer en kaserne med mange lyse rum. I endnu større rum på klodepolen.